Welcome to the Racine Video Production Workshops. All of our workshops this past year were conducted remotely due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
How are we supposed to learn video production from our house?
We can film with our devices, then share the files online for the editing team.
3, 2, 1, action.
What is wrong? Where that came from?
Baby. One that's natural. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Oh, what else are we gonna do?
Thank you.
For more information on current workshops, classes, and events, visit www.videolab3.com. That's www.videolab3.com. Racine Video Production Workshops would love to have you join us making films.